full kiwi.
A full kiwi.
I'm gonna take the label out now.
No, you gotta eat it with the label.
Oh, fuck off.
We didn't.
I can't solve it.
Just put the kiwi in, it'll go down nicely.
Let's talk. And I'm fully sober.
This is the case.
That's a bad part about it.
Alright, now shove it in.
I can't.
Shovel it in there.
Doesn't sound good. It's like that. I just can't fucking swallow that shit. Okay, right.
Just put it back on the kiwi and then, yeah, that's it.
Go back in there.
Oh my god! Holy crap! You can take it like a man.
Wow.
You can do it.
He doesn't have a gag reflex, so.
Yeah, apparently. He's hating his life right now. Wow, he's actually like going in.
I know.
Every funny falls off.
I know. I've been in there for like a long time.
Open your mouth.
The last one.
The sticker's still in there.
Yeah.
Well, there's a little bit. Nothing.
There's a little bit left.